the next track? Sorry, that's the wrong track. All right, thank you. All right, ready? Work hard, rap hard, write hard, mong hard. Work hard, rap hard, write hard, mong hard. Work hard, rap hard, write hard, mong hard. Ooh, that was good. That was good. Yo, you gotta get up, get out, get some of this spit. Second language is like counterfeit, a refugee to be considered a convict, considered a criminal, considered a threat to infect your stereo. They never kept a promise, broken backs, broken lungs, broken necks, broken open. The broken hope were never spoken. Cool conspiracy, my spirit is hearing me. You hearing me? Fear factor from the media, hating my people is the evil. They put inside minds from headline to headline. We running out of time. We wanna find a mind filled with peace. Don't believe everything you see on TV or read in newspapers trying to break us apart. So we started this movement, telling truth from the heart. We started this movement with the bruises to prove it. We started this movement to raise up community. Rap hard, write hard, walk hard, mong hard. Rap hard, write hard, walk hard, mong hard. Rap hard, write hard, walk hard, mong hard. I switched some of those words around. Okay, you got that? Technologie, cứ tin anh cha, tin đã cả ba sang gạt cho nên dần nhẹ, cứ thông phượng nhiệt tế là hai tiệt, bây hai nên mong chỉ mua tế chờ, cho linh đỡ bây giờ đang yêu chủ sở, bố kê cứ khó, ya tận đây nó thôn nụ thôn mong, bên lúc xe cứ chỉ mua cờ, địa lý ý chủ chỉ tế chờ, tổng dân kê kê đi vì bây mua cho cờ là hai tiệt, bây giờ mong nhờ hai nên cực kỳ, mong bây thua đôi cái khủa, sẽ chỉ tông mong lúc va khủa, rồi sẽ bây chỉ mua nung thì ta chỉ nhưng mong bình sự của lúc này chẳng đủ tỷ ý trong hóng mùa câu gì xem cho lâu cho lùa cho quốc tế cho mua cho bó cái ca cần tới xe mình nhờ lại cho bó hai lù đỡ chỗ là giải trí lấy cha thua nhà tế chờ shi bảo shi khâu yo rap hard write hard walk hard mong hard rap hard write hard walk hard mong hard rap hard write hard mong hard and do hard. Thank you. Yeah. All right. So, all right, we can cut that music. Thank you, DJ in the booth. I did want to say that this Friday at Hmong House, we're doing this event called Street Stops and Mountaintops Banquet. Is supporting this project that will bring artists, 2 dancers, and 2 musicians to work with